Mom, and this is my first time on this old-timey phone. Now, okay, let's do this. So first, you do the 2, put it down, and then you do the 0, keep on like doing that. Let it go all the way back. 2, 0, 2.
3.
3.
6.
6. So slow.
1.
1.
2.
2.
6.
6. Oh my God.
2.
Oh, just let me have a break. 2. And then I pick up the phone, and then I guess I call.
Can you do it, Sam? Can you do that? Yeah. Now let's try.
Wait, that's my phone number, sorry. That was my number. I was about to do.
Okay, Sam.
But
See, I told you it's so slow that you forget it.
okay.
Was it hard to learn?
No. It was not.
Have you ever seen a phone like this before?
Yes.
Where?
On a TV show.
Okay.